Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial, create a text field. So we're going to learn about this input element, and it's a way for you to enter in data from the user. It's a way for the user to enter in data, and later on, you can add it to your backend, your database, and do a lot of fancy stuff with it. So first thing to do it is that you can create a text input with this syntax. You put the tag input and type text. And note that elements are self-closing. So we don't need a closing tag like this, just one tag. So in this example exercise, you want to create an input element of type text below your list. So we just copy this syntax and it goes below our list. So we just copy it here. And we can see it goes here and you can type in text inside of it. And there's going to be different types like a password or other types that you can enter in. So that's why we have a type. And that should be it. Thank you.